All right, so here's my personal phone, and basically all I want to direct you to is the MedBridge Go app. So right next to my Instagram, this is where your home page will be. Let me move myself. I'm going to put myself up like so. If you have any questions, you can't access the code. Basically, all you need to do is go up into this upper right-hand corner. That's the settings. It's not a gear setting. I don't know why, but it's like this. And then you can just add your new access code. So right now I have that one, but if you clicked in there, you could add your new access code, and then it should absolutely 100% work. Notifications, if you need to, most of us should, unless you are very, very disciplined, you should allow the notifications on here because it is a way that you can schedule this app or the exercises into your routine. So you can add notifications here, allow notifications, and whatever, however you want to do it for your, and then here's your reminders. So if we're doing these daily, I have 3 times a week. You should be doing them a minimum of 2 times a week, but you could add in a different reminder there on the top. Click here, okay, which days of the week work best for you, what time, so you can schedule it in there and it's going to remind you. All these like electronic notifications or electronic monitoring of things, they're only as good as you still have to have discipline, I guess is what I'm saying, because it's easy and you can probably relate to just swipe away and ignore that notification, but you really have to make a commitment. That's why we went through that deeper why. I'm doing this because of this, which is that deeper reason. Go to that when you're struggling, but otherwise this little friendly reminder, you can set that up as well. So I'm going to get out of the settings, and then I just want to show you something. You can push this go button. I tend not to because it tends to be a little annoying. So I believe this is actually our level 1.
Get ready.
It has, I think you can maybe change the voice, but it'll go through these and it doesn't necessarily hold it for the same time. So I've gone away from it because it ends up being a little bit annoying to just telling people to push the program button on the bottom, and then I will get out of the way here. And then all you're going to be doing there is it's just like your printout, or it's just like my activity Google Doc that I've attached for you. A little bit different pictures because I'm using some of the program. But they're in here as well. So it's a little bit more user-friendly from an app perspective. But if you like, you can print out the ones that I did or whatnot. I just want to try to make it, whatever works best for you is the right answer. So giving you some options, I think, is key. And then you just need to implement them. So if you have questions on how often to do them, they'll be in there. And then you can also see the video.
Begin lying on your back with knees bent
and they'll go through that as well. If you want to track your activity, you can, because sometimes it's nice to see, like you can build some momentum of, hey, I did yesterday, I did the day before, I did whatnot. So you can track these and, all right, these are to do because I technically haven't finished them yet. You could start, and then you could see your achievements. So if that helps to motivate you, great. If it doesn't, and you just discipline and you know how to do it and you want to do it, you don't need to necessarily track your activity, but I wanted to show you the app here. And then each week, you will need to change the access code. So you can go back up, if I can. It's not really letting me right now. There, now it is. You can go back up here, add your new access code. That's going to be given to you in each lesson, and then you should be able to find it right there. Any questions, reach out. Otherwise, it should be pretty darn straightforward. Go to your Google Play or your App Store, depending on if you're iPhone or Android. So I think that is it. I hope that is helpful. And again, if you have any questions, again, reach out.